For this first video, we are looking at the design process of characters in using the thumbnail technique, but just with basic drawing. So I start off by doing a gestural sketch, then I can erase that sketch out, and then I design over the top of it. So I'm being very loose here. It's all about rough ideas, and it's just to get the first one down. Now I get into the thumbnail part. Here I basically scale down the drawing, and then I can just duplicate that drawing, and then I can use the eraser to erase out the lines just very, very faintly so I can barely see it, and then I design the sketch over the top of it. And then I repeat this again and again and again and again. And this is the beauty about using this method, is I can ideate many different ideas really quickly, and it's only using basic little sketches. So all of these didn't take very long. Remember, this is part of the ideation phase of the creative process. So here we're looking for volume rather than quality. So I'm trying to get out as many different ideas as possible. Now, where are these ideas coming from? Well, it's coming from some of the fundamentals we've learned already. It's coming from my use of big, medium and small shapes, and it's coming from the ideas of readability, okay, rest areas and detailed areas to make a balanced composition for the character. And it's also using the character's personality and functionality mind map that we've just covered in lesson. So now I basically, once I get a few sketches, I can have a layer. I took a layer underneath the line art and I fill it with a blank sort of grey. This is my sort of base layer. Then I can start to paint on top of it. I lock the transparent pixels and I start using grayscale tones to just, it's not about shading, it's just about separation of shapes. So all here I'm trying to do, again, it's making a really readable design. So I'm just using grayscale, so white to black, and I'm just separating up all the core components or shapes of the characters. And again, it's all about ideation, testing out the ideas.